This is a high-pressure washing pump. In this package includes outlet pipe, inlet pipe, pressure gun, extension rod, tap connector, quick connector, bucket filter, crystal filter, soap dispenser, 1-year warranty card. This washer pump has powerful 2000 watts and 150 bars high pressure. On the top it has analog display to check water pressure, and on side it gets waterproof on-off button. The installation process of this washer is very easy. First we attach the inlet pipe to the quick connector and then connect it with the crystal filter. Next step is to connect the crystal filter to the main unit. Other side of this inlet pipe can be attached directly to the tap or put in a bucket with a bucket filter. The next step is to connect the outlet pipe. One side should be connected to the main unit, and other side is to be connected to the pressure gun. This pressure gun comes with a rootable knob to increase and decrease the pressure as per your need. This pressure gun comes with 2 attachments. One is extension rod and another one is soap dispenser. You can also use this to wash your scooter bikes and many other things. It has a high pressure that removes any type of dirt and stain from your car. You can attach a soap dispenser for better cleaning. So if you are looking for a high quality pressure washer, then you can consider this product.